It's from Mama. Don't tell anybody. So next, you need some pencils. I have some pencils here, sharpened pencils. So next, you need some water. I have some water here. It's hot, but you don't need hot. So next, you need a big bowl. Here's a big bowl. The big bowl is for in case the water leaks. You can catch the water in here. Next, you need some paper towel in case the water comes out from the bowl. So next, you need some food coloring. It's just optional if you want. If you want, you don't. I mean, if you want, you can use it. If you don't want, you don't have to use it. It's just, and if you get this on your hands, it won't go. Kids, be careful because this, I know it's not going hurt you, but just going to put color on your hands and it won't go. So the things that are included are a Ziploc bag, a bowl, a few pencils, and food coloring if you want, some water, and some paper towel so you can wipe the water clean. So how many things you need is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think you need 6 things. If you don't have water spilled, you don't need this paper. Just in case. So you get a Ziploc bag, then pour some water in, like I pour water in. This is a big bag. Kids, you don't need to fill the bag full. So you don't need to fill the bag full, so it's easier for you to hold it. Okay, next you need some pencils. Next, Sharpened pencils. Whoa, there's so many. I can't count them. Okay. Kids, what do you think if I poke the pencils from both the sides? My answer is going to leak. Let's see. Okay, we forgot the food coloring. Okay, and make sure you don't do it because it's going to make a mess on your hands. But I know it's not going to hurt you. Okay, pour it in. Few drops. Bling, blong, blang, blong, blong. And we use blues because my favorite color is blue, and that's why we also use blue pencils. Okay, next we need a lock it. Then we need to shake it up good. Okay, shake it, la 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 la. Now I'm going to start poking the pencil through. What? I said it's going to leak, but it's not. Okay, I'll put another pencil down here. Doodle doodle. Doodle doodle. No. What? There's no legal. Even with two pencils together. I'm gonna put this. Can you hold it for me? I'm gonna put one right there. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, I have 4 pencils through. Still leaking. Please don't leak. Woohoo! It's not leaking. I'm going to try on from here. Ah! Oops. See. I don't know where I'm going to pull the pencil out. Maybe I'm going to pull it from the other side. Woo! 5. Please don't leak. 6. That was 6. 7. Crazy daisies. That looks enough. 7 looks like enough. 7 looks enough. Let's see what's going to happen if I put too many together. Let's see. Actually, I don't want to do it. So what will happen if I take the pencils out? Let's see. Where? Paper! Let me get from there. Okay. Okay, now we need paper to clean the mess. Oops. Oh. Too many. We only need one. Okay, I'm going to take the paper, drop it in. Whoa! The paper got the color so fast. So good. That's because it's Bounty, the quicker picker up. See? Look. Look. Put this here. Wherever or something. Look how fun. to wear this paper in here. It's so fun to play with this. But I'm not going to put my face in it. Some of you were going to think I'm going to put my face in it. I'm not going to. I'll just go and have a closer look. So fun! Hey guys, why it wasn't, the water wasn't leaking from the bag is because the bag is made out of a polymer. So the polymers are have elasticity. So the polymer is squeezing the pencil tight, so and without gaps for the water to come out. That's why it wasn't leaking. But if we press on it, it will leak. And it's a science. I'm going to have a break and eat my Smarties. Ooh. I think that wasn't good, I guess. I don't think I can eat my Smarties. Okay, I'm not going to eat my Smarties. Thank you for watching my channel and videos. Please share my video. Please subscribe, like, bye.